Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Your Nautical Escape, a French coastal home with striped sole. Ever dream of waking up to the sound of seagulls and the scent of salt air? That effortless, breezy charm of the French coast isn't just for vacations. You can weave it into the very walls of your home. The magic lies in balancing rustic, sun-bleached textures with crisp, classic details. And our secret weapon, the timeless, always chic nautical stripe in navy and white. This isn't about theme park decor, but about capturing a feeling of relaxed elegance. Let's walk through how to layer this look, room by room, to create a house that feels like a permanent holiday. Imagine it as your personal retreat, where life feels just a little bit slower and more beautiful. Picture a soft stone facade with faded blue shutters, the paint gently weathered by imaginary sea spray. Climbing roses tumble over a wooden gate, and lavender bursts from terracotta pots by the door. The garden path is made of loose gravel that crunches underfoot, leading to a small wrought iron bistro set for morning coffee. We keep the palette natural: whites, woods, and that signature navy on the shutters. It's all about creating that first glimpse that says, "Welcome, unwind here." The vibe is unpretentious and lush, a quiet invitation from the street. Step inside and the first thing you see is a stripe. Maybe it's a navy and white runner on a wide plank oak floor. A simple weathered console table holds a bowl for seashells and a rattan mirror. The wallpaper here could be a bold, wide stripe, making a confident first impression in this small space. A classic rope twist mirror or a lamp with a glass base adds to the maritime mood without being kitschy. The key is to keep it functional and fresh, a place to drop your keys and feel instantly transported. It sets the tone for the whole house. This is where we get cozy. Walls might be painted a soft, chalky white, allowing one accent wall in a narrower nautical stripe to sing. Sink into a linen sofa piled with textural cushions in stripes, sailcloth, and faded indigo. Furniture is comfortable and slightly worn in. A driftwood coffee table, a jute rug, and shelves of well-loved books. Natural light floods in, reflecting off mirrored or glass accessories. The room feels airy, lived in, and collected over time, not decorated all at once. It's the perfect spot to curl up and watch the clouds roll by. Serenity is the goal here. Imagine crisp white bedding with a gorgeous navy and white striped duvet cover or a blanket tossed at the foot of the bed. The headboard could be upholstered in a subtle stripe or set against a wallpaper feature wall. Keep wood tones light and airy with woven seagrass baskets for storage. Soft, flowing curtains catch the breeze. Art might be simple black and white sketches of botanicals or old maps. This room should feel like a peaceful captain's quarters, designed for deep sleep and lazy mornings. This space calls for conviviality. A long rustic farmhouse table pairs perfectly with mix and match chairs, perhaps some in white paint and others in natural wood. Overhead, a simple pendant light with a burlap or rope detail casts a warm glow. The stripes can make their appearance in the seat cushions or in a stunning, oversized piece of stripe-backed artwork. A sideboard displays simple white pottery and glassware. It's unfussy and inviting, meant for long dinners with friends, the clink of glasses and shared laughter. Think open shelves displaying white dishes, with the back wall covered in a playful small-scale nautical stripe. Countertops are likely butcher block or honed stone, and cabinetry is painted in a shade of creamy white or very pale gray. Navy accents pop in the knobs and pulls, or in a stripe on a simple Roman blind at the window. Utilitarian items like a French copper pot or a wire basket of lemons become the decor. It's a kitchen that feels functional and warm, where cooking feels like part of the holiday experience. Here we aim for a clean spa-like feel with a coastal twist. White subway tiles might be paired with a stunning navy and white stripe wallpaper on the upper half, or in a water-resistant version in the powder room. Accents of natural rope on mirrors or hooks, bleached wood and woven towels add warmth. A simple vessel sink and chrome fixtures keep it feeling fresh. The overall effect is crisp, clean, and revitalizing, like a dip in the ocean. It's your daily reminder of that coastal calm, right at home.